Morning everybody, I'm here at my property. It's actually facing a billiard hole. So andito kami kasi magpapa-fence ako today. Ayan, medyo kasi haba. Kailangan ko kasi ma-fence muna yung area para makapaglinis kami dito sa aming property. Sayang naman, binili ko naman siya, hindi ko man siya nagagamit. So ayan, ang dami kong lilinisin. Naglagay na rin kami dito ng kubo namin. Just in case lang gusto namin mag-relax dito. So here it goes. Ito yung property namin. Ayan. Naglagay na kami ng mga bakod. Gat kayong ano ba? Door. Hi, little grasshopper. What are you doing? I love you. Hello. Natapos namin yung mga pag-fencing kahapon. And there so we'll let this muna dry up yung mga naputol na mga grasses, and then cover natin sa mga bed rest kasi may soil can na kami nilagay para hindi lang siya mag-dry up. So far wala pang water dito kaya hindi ko pa pwedeng ilipat yung mga talim ko sa bahay. So yan lang muna, pero at least nalinis na natin paunti-unti yung area. Ayan. So we have our bahay kubo. We're here beside the road. Ayan. So pakita ko ulit sa inyo ha. So this one here, I have something to do with that one. Kaya meron yan siya parang trusses dyan or posts. So there's a little kubo. Here's the gate. It's really a small property actually. So we got like 5 bed rests there for the garden. Ni-ready ko na. And then we are beside here the road, and we're in front of a billiard hole. So there's still a lot of things to do. Pero this one here, the grasses here are already cut up and ita-dry na lang siya. So parang every day, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna visit the place kasi it's just a walking distance from my house. 30 minutes siguro na exercise just to clean up and cut unnecessary grasses, yung mga tumutubo, and then I still have a lot of things to buy pa kasi I don't have here a sweeper. So kailangan ko may walis ako. What else? I think socks. Kailangan ko din ng socks. Kasi meron pa ditong mga debris. Debris na mga tinatapon dito. Kasi hindi pa siya, yung wala pa siyang fence. Kaya ako nag-decide talaga mag-fence because ang daming mga basura. Yeah, just like there, the other side. Kita nyo naman sa labas. Too many. Dami masyadong basura. So, ayan. Cover muna natin yung ating bed rest. So, Nana is doing the job. It's her idea. So, here, ayan, yung kahapon, tingnan nyo, nag-dry up na siya. So, it's turning brown already. Yeah, but the rest are okay. So, we have a big tree under the kubo. Under the kubo, baliktad. There's a tree, and underneath it we have the kubo, and there you go. Ayan. So let's just watch out more for mga development nitong property. But for now, the idea is really to have this turn into a garden for now. Kasi sayang property. Ang ganda ng lupa. The soil is dark. It's very rich in soil. So parang hindi na kailangan masyado ng mga fertilizer kasi buhag ang lupa, dark. Yan, very healthy. So very conducive for gardening. Okay, until then guys, have a nice day. Bye-bye. Tapos pala natin hinat natin kahapon. Pwede pala natin dito hinagtay muna for now para hindi tumigas yung lupa. Ayan, kasi temporary pa naman. Hindi pa naman ako magtatanim. Since ito-dry up din lang naman ako. garden bed dito na so I have here yan, naninis ko siya. Nagpile na ako para madali siyang mag-dry. Yan. Tapos ginagawa ko siyang mulching, covered dun sa mga ano para hindi masyado mag-dry up yung soil kasi lagay ako ng water kanina. And tomorrow again, I'm gonna do the same thing tomorrow. And hopefully yung mga iba kong natanim dun sa bahay namin, lilipat ko dito. Kasi mas bigger space, mas makakahinga. Yun lang, wala pa kasi akong water. So siguro mamaya I'll be inquiring how to like put a water dito. Kasi nga, di ba garden? Para naman ang garden kung walang tubig. So